Did you know that the Tesla Gigafactory is so massive that it can hold nearly 100 football fields? Find out how this groundbreaking facility is transforming the future of manufacturing and production. When you hear the name Tesla, you probably think of their sleek cars, like the Model 3, cruising on the streets. Or maybe you're familiar with their innovative renewable energy products, such as the Tesla roof. But here's the thing, Tesla's future success doesn't solely rely on their products. It hinges on something much bigger, the Tesla Gigafactory. Tesla Gigafactory, a revolutionary concept that could transform manufacturing and production as we know it. This massive facility represents CEO Elon Musk and Tesla's bet on the future. Think of it as the beating heart of Tesla's production line, a machine that builds the machines. It's a colossal building spanning millions of square feet, with the potential to drive Tesla's success for years to come. With so much riding on the Gigafactory's success, it's crucial to stay updated with the latest news. Get the most recent information about current Gigafactories and upcoming ones. Let's dive deeper into what exactly a Gigafactory is. What is a Gigafactory? A Gigafactory is not just any factory. It represents a whole new scale of manufacturing. The term was coined by Elon Musk back in 2013 when he described the type of factory needed to meet the production demands of the Model 3 electric car. Musk's vision goes beyond scale. He sees the factory itself as a product, focusing on innovative manufacturing processes. As he puts it, Tesla is heavily invested in designing the machine that makes the machine. This approach increases production capacity and improves the quality of Tesla's products. The Gigafactory concept is a paradigm shift in manufacturing. Traditional factories rely on separate facilities for different stages of production, resulting in logistical challenges and increased costs. Tesla's Gigafactory consolidates these stages into one location, enabling streamlined production and cost efficiencies. The innovative approach of considering the factory as a product demonstrates Tesla's commitment to pushing the boundaries of manufacturing. The vision and reality of the Tesla Gigafactory. You might be familiar with Tesla's factory in Fremont, California, but that one isn't actually a Gigafactory. From the outside, it may look like a single building, but it's more like a series of interconnected structures. Over time, additional buildings were added to meet the growing demand for Tesla vehicles. This surge in demand is what necessitated the idea of Gigafactories. The Fremont factory exemplifies Tesla's rapid growth and the challenges it faced in meeting the increasing demand for its vehicles. Initially, the factory was designed for lower production volumes, but as demand soared, Tesla had to adapt by expanding the facility. This reactive approach highlighted the need for a more scalable and integrated manufacturing solution. Enter the Gigafactory. When Tesla burst onto the scene with their electric vehicles, they aimed to showcase stylish, high-quality, and eco-friendly cars. The response was overwhelming, with demand skyrocketing, especially for the Model 3. Waiting times for a Model 3 can stretch to months. And the demand shows no signs of slowing down. The pre-orders for the Tesla Cybertruck have already surpassed 1 million. Tesla's challenge has been meeting the immense demand for their vehicles. The existing production capacity couldn't keep up with the orders, leading to long wait times. To address this issue, Tesla needed a solution that would enable faster vehicle production while maintaining quality standards. The Gigafactory emerged as the answer, a facility that provides the necessary equipment, space, and technology to manufacture various Tesla products. The Tesla Gigafactory serves as the hub for manufacturing electric cars, lithium-ion battery cells, solar panels, and more. By centralizing production, the Gigafactory eliminates the need for shipping parts to different locations for assembly. Tesla's website highlights that battery production at the Gigafactory reduces costs, ultimately bringing down the price of their electric vehicles. This cost reduction opens doors for more people to afford a Tesla, further driving demand. Lowering the cost of electric vehicle batteries through Gigafactory production has a ripple effect on the entire industry. As Tesla leads the way in cost reduction, other automakers are likely to follow suit. This shift towards affordability can accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles on a global scale, transforming the transportation sector and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. While the Gigafactory idea is promising, Tesla still has a long way to go to make it a reality. Construction of the first Gigafactory in Nevada started the journey. This massive facility, spanning nearly 2 million square feet, currently focuses on producing motors and battery packs for the Model 3. However, the factory hasn't reached its full potential yet. Although the Nevada Gigafactory is already producing key components for the Model 3, it's operating at only around 30% of its capability. Tesla's vision extends beyond partial production. The goal is complete vertical integration, where every aspect of the manufacturing process is self-contained within the Gigafactory. Achieving this would allow Tesla to further increase production efficiency, meet growing demands, and potentially disrupt the traditional automotive supply chain. Over time, the Gigafactory is expected to expand and realize Elon Musk's vision of complete vertical integration. With advancements in technology and continuous improvements, Tesla aims to transform the Gigafactory into a fully self-sustaining ecosystem capable of delivering a wide range of products. While challenges remain, the potential impact of the Gigafactory on Tesla's production capabilities is immense. Now let's explore the key takeaways from the Tesla Gigafactory concept. It's not just about its enormous size. It represents a profound shift in manufacturing and production. Here are 3 essential takeaways. Vertical integration. Tesla's pursuit of vertical integration grants them complete control over the production process, enhancing product quality and cost efficiency. By eliminating reliance on external resources and suppliers, Tesla can swiftly adapt to changes and maintain tighter control over its operations. First principles thinking in action. Elon Musk's leadership style involves embracing first principles thinking. It challenges conventional wisdom by questioning the status quo and reimagining systems from the ground up. The Gigafactory exemplifies this approach, redefining how a factory operates and unlocking unprecedented manufacturing capabilities. Innovating for the customer. The Gigafactory has a lot of potential for new ideas and saving money, which is good for customers. When Tesla makes more cars and spends less to make them, the price of the cars can go down. This makes Tesla cars cheaper and more people can buy them. This makes more people interested in Tesla cars and helps the car industry come up with new and better things. The Tesla Gigafactory represents a bold vision for the future of manufacturing, where innovation, scale, and sustainability converge. While there are challenges ahead, Tesla's commitment to revolutionize the industry through Gigafactories paves the way for transformative change. As Tesla continues to push the boundaries, we can expect to witness the evolution of not just the company but the entire automotive landscape. So, how could the Tesla Gigafactory change the way things are made and produced? Not just in cars but in many other industries too. We want to hear your ideas, so join the conversation and share your thoughts. Keep watching our other video-related videos and we will see you soon.